Over here I've got an Amada RG-80 with an NC9-EXII control, very highly sought after, and all the buttons and keys are in good condition. I have a duplicate machine like this in Toronto, and you can see here what happens to some of the keys. Most of them are like that on my other machine. I moved the better one here to Orlando. Also has a hand control system there. This machine is, I believe, a 1996. Got a variety of brake tooling here. And she is running, wired up and running. Let me just turn it on. See auto gauge backstop, adjustable clamps, and in great running condition. Let's see if I can find the tag on it. December 1996. Serviced by Amada in Toronto until last year when I moved it here. And I had Amada install it here.